An SF symbol consists of 1, 2, or 3 layers. For example, the cloud.moon.rain symbol consists of 3 layers: the clouds, the moon, and the rain, each represented by 1 layer. We can use foreground color to modify the symbol color. In iOS 14, Apple introduced the use of adding multiple colors to an SF symbol with the help of rendering mode. Using .rendering mode with the option of .original along with .foreground, we can use 2 colors for our icons. Note, not all icons support multicolor. In iOS 15, Apple took SF symbols a step further by allowing you to colorize SF symbols with multiple colors with the .foreground style and the .symbol rendering mode. Let's first look at .foreground style. When using .foreground color, you can only use 1 color to modify an icon. When you want to utilize 2 or more colors for the symbol, you can use the .foreground style to apply a color to each layer. For example, let's say you wanted to apply teal, purple, and yellow to the cloud, moon, and rain symbol. If you only specify 2 colors for a symbol with 3 layers, the tertiary and secondary layers will use the same color. If you're using iOS 15 and higher, you do not need to use .rendering mode. You can use .symbol rendering mode. When using .symbol rendering mode, you have the option to set it to .palette, .monochrome, .hierarchical, and .multicolor. Remember, not all icons support all rendering mode types. You can verify which icon supports what inside of the SF Symbols app.